What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I got another 3 unboxings of the Yeezys, rare shoe, and I forgot what shoe that was. Well, the shoe on the bottom is the Air Jordan 4s, OVOs, something like that. They shock dropped on the sneakers. These are the Yeezys. My friend got through, so he used my account to buy this pair. Size 10. I might buy this off of him, low key. Okay. Alright, black Yeezys. Actually, as you can see, they look all black. I'm not sure if I should buy myself another pair or not. I'm still debating. Translucent side, 3M'd laces. This one is the Jordan 4 Raptors. It seems like the Raptors are gonna win the series this year because KD is out and all that stuff. Alright, so here we go. I thought these were bricks. These were bricks before, but I guess because the Raptors might actually win the game, but the series, these are skyrocketing. These are going for $430 on StockX right now. As you can see, the only difference is the OVO sign right there. I should have bought more pairs, I'm not gonna lie. But you know, pretty nice shoe. Can't go wrong with the 4s. 4s are probably like my favorite Jordans out of all the other numbers. Really nice. Alright, and now we got this shoe. At first, I thought these are bricks. I won a raffle on one block or something like that. It came from Europe. Had to pay like $40 shipping. Alright. Shit. I think these are reselling for like $30 more. Here we go. Ooh, nice box. So as you may know, these are like the Blazers or something like that. Size 10.5. Oh, these smell like apples. Alright. Alright, so this is a size 10.5. It's pretty big. Look how close it is. Oh jeez. Oh well. Well yeah, so here you go. It doesn't look like a 10.5, but is this a 10.5? But yeah. Oh shoot. Yo, what the? Is this a 10? Actually, I don't know. But yeah. That's that. The blue. I forgot what collabs was, but yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment down below you copped it or not. I stayed up all night for these Yeezys, but I only got one pair, which isn't even mine, so it's okay. Alright, like the video, comment down below you copped it or not, and peace.